Today, we're diving into the FiberCablesDirect 200M OM3 LC fiber patch cable. Designed for high-performance networking, this cable boasts a 10G Plenum rating and features Corning's laser-optimized multimode fiber (LOMMF) with a 5125 optical fiber core cladding. It's encased in a durable, aqua-colored outer jacket with a zip cord reinforcement, making it ideal for rigorous environments in educational, corporate, military, government, healthcare, finance, and commercial sectors. The AT 656.16 feet in length, this duplex cable utilizes LC connectors on both ends, featuring 1.25mm ceramic ferrules for secure connections. The cable supports 110/40 gigabits Ethernet over multimode fiber, with impressive specifications, including a 1500 2000 MHz CAM modal bandwidth at 850 nanometers 1300 nanometers. For practical use, it's rated for various Ethernet standards. Fast Ethernet 1 gigabit Ethernet, 10 gigabits Ethernet up to 300M, and even 40 gigabits and 100 gigabits Ethernet at shorter distances. Manufactured in the USA, this commercial-grade cable comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring reliability and longevity. Whether you're setting up a new network infrastructure or upgrading an existing one, the FiberCablesDirect 200M OM3 LC fiber patch cable promises cost-effective performance with robust build quality that meets stringent industry standards.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.